Welcome to homework.
So railroad cars are the connections between them are very loose, so that there's a lot of time for them to pick up to each other. And we're going to explain why this happens. So in here we can see that this car over here is going to push the car on the back, the force F, and it's going to allow it to start moving. So if let's say that this car here has a momentum initial of 0. Once they start moving, the car is going to gather some momentum. So you're going to say that the final momentum is going to be equal to the mass of the cart multiplied by the velocity of that cart. So if we calculate the changing momentum, we're going to have final momentum mv minus initial momentum 0. The change in momentum is mv, which is also called impulse. So impulse is mv, and impulse has a formula of force multiplied by time. So let's put the arrows over here to symbolize that these are vector quantities. So if we calculate the force that we're going to incur on this junction over here to pull the cart, that force is going to be equal to mass of the cart times the velocity that the cart achieves divided by the time that it takes for the cart to achieve that velocity. So once we have loose connections over here, we're going to increase this amount of time so that we can diminish the force suffered by the connections. So the point of the carts being loosely connected is to increase this time and diminish the force acting on the connection, so we prevent any breakage from happening.